Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today before opening this Realme GT Master Edition box, I have some other new items, so let's check them first. So the main features are it's the Snapdragon 778G 5G processor with AMOLED display and super depth charge with super slim and light design. The things I like the most are we can record a video with the background blur effect and also with the various filters. This one is dual video mode and this one is movie mode. And coming to the RAM, we can expand it up to 2 to 5 GB. Nowadays, maximum people are interested in playing games, so the gaming experience is really super and this is absolutely perfect for playing games. Let's check item number 3.